It's the start of something really exciting here at Newcastle Helix. For the very first time, this innovation district is supporting a work experience week. Why? Well, the businesses here want to develop sustainable future talent pipelines. There is a lot of talk at the moment about work experience. So we're helping to bridge that gap between industry and education. Work experience gives the businesses a chance to showcase their work culture, their opportunities, as well as learn from the next generation. We're piloting the model alongside one of our occupiers, Altitude Foundation, and they've arranged for a group of 15 to 17-year-old students to spend a whole week here at Newcastle Helix right at the end of their school year. So what are the students going to get? They'll get a site tour, they'll get something called a careers safari where they meet real people doing real jobs. They're also going to be set a challenge with a deadline. As part of that, they'll have to learn to build a CV, they'll practice interviews, and all of this helps them build their confidence and their communication skills. The companies they're visiting are Scott Logic, the NatWest Accelerator Entrepreneurs, and the National Innovation Centre for Ageing. All of these are very different workplaces. There are offices and hybrid spaces, there are labs and market research suites, and even in the cafe, well, that's packed with people working on laptops on virtual meetings, so the students can begin to see themselves in these spaces.
Traditional work experience, I think, is often based on this idea that, you bring the young person in, they sit at a desk beside someone else, they shadow them for the week. But what often ends up happening is they make the cups of tea, they move pieces of paper from one side of the desk to the other. They're given a task that is removed from what the practical reality of the job that they're actually interested in genuinely involves. Traditional work experience becomes so abstract or risks becoming so menial that actually it's not a realistic experience of work. What we've tried to do is say, where is the real value here? And young people, I think, they need to know what the options are. They need to understand what their pathways are. It benefits them if they understand the breadth of opportunities that are available. It's about bringing them in, giving them the opportunity to ask questions, to find out more, to give them a project that draws all of that together, and to help them to start to evaluate their options. And once you do that for one business, you can see how it makes sense to do it for several in parallel. That value for the young person, particularly for those young people who are really trying to figure out what exactly is it that I want to do, it gives them an opportunity to find out what that job looks like, to set it alongside another job, and to get out at the end of the week and say, that was for me exactly like I thought, or I've found something that I didn't realise was something I could really be interested in.
I didn't actually realise the Helix was all these buildings. I thought it was just one place. I didn't realise it's all these different buildings. So I was quite shocked and quite impressed out with all of it.
We got given a work project and it's very interesting, it's very independent, it's personal development, but also where we have to have a day in the life of different companies, see what skills and qualifications you'll need in the future for it.
If I wasn't here this week, I probably would have been in school just doing coursework and stuff like that.
What Altitude's trying to achieve with this program in particular is giving people that exposure to work. And actually this comes back to the origin story of Altitude. Gary, our founder, reflected on his own past and he identified that he got an opportunity for work experience as a teenager. I wouldn't say he came from a well-off background and he never really considered a future in technology and big organizations, but doing the work experience opened his eyes and that raised his aspirations. This program is almost a direct reflection of that. We want more children to recognize that they can see themselves in these places of work and that they should have aspirations towards that.
We believe work experience was worth pushing for because access needs to start early. If we want diverse local talent to feel part of this story, we need to open doors now, not later. And this pilot helped us test what works and when companies contribute without disruption. The importance of Helix is that we're here in a living lab. We've got clean energy labs, we've got life sciences labs, we've got cutting edge innovation here. And this is the kind of thing that people here on work experience will be exposed to. You wouldn't get that anywhere else, which is just brilliant.
There's a lack of workplace experience for young people these days. We've got to think about safeguarding of children. All of the legislation that goes around that, the health and safety, etc., can really make that more challenging for businesses. I think if you want to create opportunities for work placement, you've got to be bold and go for it. Tick those boxes for your health and safety. It's not that hard. There's lots of support out there for safeguarding as well. So just make sure you take those opportunities, because it's so energising when you actually bring them into the workplace. I'd love to see the Altitude Work Experience programme embedded. I think real life experience is vital to the success for young people, and seeing them grow, we could develop the next generation of innovators.
It's really great to bring those children to this innovation site so that they can get to see what the opportunities really are in the world of work, and to see how they can influence that and be part of that future.
We had a project to market the Helix site to 16 to 21-year-olds in the Northeast. So what we chose to do was to make a TikTok video and also a YouTube video to market the Helix site. On the Friday, we had to present our work to Colin, the manager of Altitude Foundation, Gary Scott from Scott Logic, and Charlie, who does marketing for the site. It was a great experience.
This week's given us so much more than we could ever have hoped for. Some of the children have arrived all unsure and nervous, and then left packed full of confidence and ideas and ambition. And yet we had moments where it didn't quite land. We had to adapt, play to our strengths, and meet the students where they were. It was reverse mentoring in action.
I would recommend getting work experience because you get to see how school life and work life are different. In work, you get more freedom and more independence, while at school you're guided by teachers. I feel more confident applying for the job in the future because now I know what will make me stand out to other people and what interviewers expect from me.
All people should do work experience because you want to see if it's the right environment for you. You want to see what the real life work is really about, because compared to school life to work and life, it's completely different. I learned loads of skills, communication, teamwork. It's worked out brilliantly, I think. I think it's went better than I expected. The advice I would give to people who do work experience, just go for it. Ask questions, be curious. That's the most important part. You want to get the best out of the week you can, which I've done, and now I know what I'm doing.
This collaboration wasn't just about giving them a meaningful experience of the world of work. It was about showing them they belong in it. And by bringing education and industry together, it meant that the businesses and the site learned just as much as the students.